This apartment is located 4 blocks from Provenza. If you've ever been to Medellin and El Poblado, you know that Provenza is where all of the restaurants, bars, nightlife is happening. The good thing about this apartment is that it's far away enough that you're not going to get all that noise, but it's also close enough that you can walk anywhere you want. You don't really need to own a car. It's a beautiful apartment, and the open layout makes it look really spacious. It is 155 square meters, which is over 1,600 square feet, so there is a lot of room in it. But that open concept makes it look really nice. This is the balcony here overlooking this green area. As you can see, it's pretty residential around here, so it's quiet, it's safe. There's a security guard downstairs as well. This is the balcony where you could easily fit a barbecue, and this is the living area slash office. They created a little office here, the current owner, but obviously you could just make this one big living room area. I love the ceilings on this. The concrete, the exposed concrete ceilings with those soffits make it look really, it gives it like a sense of depth, and it's industrial looking, yet it's still cozy because of the design that they've used here. This is the kitchen. Really great kitchen for hosting people. You have a big American bar there with the bar stools. I could see myself, having a chef over, having an event, having people over, cooking together, having fun. Definitely a great space for that. That's the refrigerator area with a lot of storage room. So this apartment comes with all of this if you want, or you can make an offer to buy it without all of this furniture and decor. I like what they did with the floors being wood. Same with the walls, a lot of white. The first thing we're going to see is this first bathroom here, the common bathroom or the shared bathroom. Really nicely done. It looks beautiful. There's not much that you would need to remodel unless if you wanted to really upgrade something, but it looks beautiful. So this is the first room here, or I guess the secondary room. This they're using it. The current owner has a kid, so it's a kid's room, obviously. And again, the textures on the walls, really nicely done. This is the bathroom, which is a pretty big bathroom considering that this is the smaller room. It's got that rainfall shower head up there on top. I'm 6'3" and I can easily fit in here. And that's the closet area there on the right as well. Okay, we're going to go back into the master bedroom, which you could easily fit a king size bed in here. They have got the bed there and they have a couch there as well, which is really nice. Overlooks the other building here. And that's the road, which is accessible. I mean, you can go in and out of El Poblado through that road, which is nice. A lot of greenery, a lot of birds coming in the morning, etc. When we were there was birds all over the place. Just it's so peaceful and so nice. All right, so we're gonna check out the master bathroom here. This one is a pretty nice bathroom. As you can see, it's a lot of space, big shower. It's got the double sink there. And the current owner has really nice taste in decor and design, so it makes it look even nicer. So that's a perk if you do want to buy it with everything in it already. Just turnkey, right? The asking price on this one is 1,500,000,000 Colombian pesos, which comes out to be, in US dollars, about 370,000 US dollars. The price per square meter comes out to be about 2,300 US dollars, which is below market rate for this type of apartment in this area. Usually you can find stuff that is double, especially if it's newer. So something this big for such a low price point is something that's not going to stay on the market very long. If you do want to make an offer on this, there is a link in the description. Click on it, fill out the form, and somebody on our team will get back to you. Also, if you are selling your apartment or you're looking to sell, you can fill out the secondary form. There's a second form there for people that are selling. And of course, somebody on the team will get back to you. If you want to see more properties, make sure to click on this playlist right here, and we'll see you in the next one.